Good day everyone, especially to our PathFit instructor, Mr. Mark Jubin Pilapil. Today, I will be discussing the factor that we consider before beginning physical activity. First is the health status and medical conditions. It is important to know your health status and consulting to the doctor if ever they have a health issue like heart problems, high blood pressure, diabetes, or any joint issues. It is important also, after consulting to the doctor, you should inform your doctor about any medications you are taking as they might interact with physical activity. During physical activity, pay attention to any pain or discomfort and stop if needed. The second is fitness level and goals. Before engaging physical activity, you should get or set realistic, established, achievable fitness goals to stay motivated and avoid disappointment. Third is the activity type and environment. Finding activities you find enjoyable that will make it easier to stick your exercise routine. Choose activities that are safe. Before engaging in physical activity, wear appropriate clothing and footwear that you are comfortable and loosen fitting, and wear shoes provide adequate support. Fourth is the preparation and hydration. Before engaging in physical activities, warm up your muscle with light cardio and dynamic stretching. Drink plenty of fluids before, during, and after exercise to stay hydrated, especially during hot weather. Allow your body to cool down gradually after exercise with static stretching. And the last factor that we consider before beginning physical activity is the nutrition and diet. It is also important when you are doing a physical activity. Eat a balanced diet that provides the energy and nutrients your body needs for physical activity. It is important to eat balanced when engaging physical activity. Consider your activity goals, adjust your diet based on your fitness goals, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or endurance training. And that's all the factors that we consider before beginning physical activity.